Hey you, and welcome to this video where I will help you out how to add the NASDAQ 100 USTEC right here on MetaTrader 5. And if you want to do this, the first thing that we need to do is go to View and select right here Market Watch. Then right here, what you can do, the first way is just click here on click to add. And then what we're gonna do right here is search for USTEC. And then we click right here on USTEC, do enter. And then right now, if we throw USTEC right here to the chart, we are having the US NASDAQ 100 tag right here standing on our chart. You can also do this on another way, and that is do view right here, go to symbols and then search right here for USTEC. Click on it and then click on show symbol, and then he's standing also right here, and then you can also throw it to the chart again, and then you can create a new order right here by clicking on new order. So this is exactly how you can add the NAS100 USTEC to MetaTrader 5. Hopefully this was the video where I was looking for. Thanks for watching and have a wonderful day. Ciao.